Your credit score controls your entire financial life. It decides if you pay $400 a month for a car or $800 for the same exact car. It decides if you get approved for that apartment or rejected. And most people have no idea where they actually rank. Today, I'm showing you the 7 levels of credit scores and exactly where you stand. Let's go. Level 1. Credit Prison. Score 300 to 579. You get rejected for almost everything. No car loans, no apartments, and if you do get a credit card, the fees are insane. Buying a house? Not happening. Level 2. Debt Dungeon. Score 580 to 619. You're barely visible to lenders. If you get approved, you're paying 15% interest on everything. Credit cards have tiny limits and huge fees. Level 3. The Struggle. Score 620 to 659. You can get loans now, but they're expensive. You're paying double the interest that someone with good credit pays. Biggest mistake here? Only paying minimums. You'll stay stuck forever. Level 4. Average American. Score 660 to 699. You get approved for most stuff, but your rates are still higher than they should be. On a house, you'll pay $40,000 more over 30 years than someone with better credit. Biggest mistake? Getting comfortable here. Keep climbing. Level 5. Sweet Spot. Score 700 to 759. You finally get good rates. Car loans around 4%, credit cards with actual rewards, and decent mortgage rates. Quick pause. I'm dropping a video next week on how to jump from here to 800 plus in 12 months. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Level 6. Elite Club. Score 760 to 799. Banks are competing for you now. Here's the secret. A 760 score gets you the same mortgage rate as an 800 score. Level 7. Credit Royalty. Score 800 to 850. Only 21% of Americans ever get here. Surprising fact, you can have an 850 score and still have debt. It's all about managing it perfectly. But there's a secret. Level 8. Credit Mastery. This is when you use credit to build wealth, not just maintain a score. You teach your kids. You use rewards strategically. Credit becomes a tool that works for you. So, what level are you on? Drop your level in the comments right now. I read every comment, and I'm making videos based on where you are. Comment your level, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.